Using Pinterest for affiliate marketing can be an effective way to promote products and earn commissions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Choose a niche. Select a specific niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience on Pinterest. This will help you target your efforts more effectively. 2. Create a business account. If you don't already have a Pinterest account, create a business account. This will give you access to analytics and other tools that can be useful for your affiliate marketing efforts. 3. Optimize your profile. Use a clear and relevant profile picture. Write a concise and informative bio that explains your niche and what you offer. Include keywords related to your niche in your profile description to make it easier for users to find you. 4. Create relevant boards. Create multiple boards related to your niche. Each board should have a specific theme and be named with relevant keywords. Pin a mix of your own content and curated content from others that aligns with your niche. 5. Quality content. Create high-quality, visually appealing pins that showcase the products or services you're affiliating with. Use attractive images, clear text overlay, and a call to action, CTA, in your pins. 6. Affiliate link disclosure. Be transparent with your audience by disclosing that you're using affiliate links. You can do this in the pin description or in the pin itself. Use phrases like, "This post contains affiliate links," or, "I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through this link." 7. Pin regularly. Consistency is key. Pin regularly to keep your profile active and engaging. Use a scheduling tool to space out your pins and reach a wider audience. 8. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions to increase the discoverability of your pins. Research popular keywords related to your niche using Pinterest search bar and incorporate them naturally in your descriptions. 9. Create click-worthy descriptions. Craft engaging and informative descriptions for your pins that entice users to click through to your affiliate link. Highlight the benefits of the product or service and explain why your audience should be interested. 10. Create landing pages. Instead of directly linking to affiliate offers, consider creating landing pages on your website or blog that provide additional value and information. Use your landing pages to pre-sell the product or service before redirecting users to the affiliate link. 11. Monitor analytics. Keep track of the performance of your pins using Pinterest analytics tools. This will help you understand what's working and what isn't. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather. 12. Engage with the community. Respond to comments on your pins and engage with other users in your niche by commenting on their pins and sharing relevant content. Remember that success in affiliate marketing on Pinterest takes time and consistent effort. Building a genuine following and providing value to your audience should be your primary focus. Avoid spammy tactics, as they can harm your credibility and long-term success.